Had a pretty nice day today. Couple things, if you watched the live or you didn't watch the live, you missed. We had a owl and a turkey get into a fight last night after sunset in a tree by our bus. It was the craziest sounding thing I've ever heard. Two birds that I can identify by their noises. So that was kind of fun last night. Haven't had any signs, any mice or anything in the bus. Also have not caught any outside in the trap either. But hopefully we got everything sealed up now where they're not going to be coming in the bus. Talked to Mom today. She said she's feeling better than a few days ago, but still not out of the woods. But that's a good sign. And then today, here on the property, we finished up the septic stuff. So that's all done. You'll see a little bit of that here in the video. Other than that, that's about it for today. This was in our mailbox. Not really sure who it was from. I have my suspicions, but much appreciated. We're getting our inspection right now for the septic. I think he's counting how many feet of drainage there is now. So there's the finished job. Got a few trees left. There's the tank, the big mound there from the tank. They did a pretty good job doing quick grade on it today. Talked to the building inspector, or the septic inspector when he was here, and he said these trees that are here are no worries whatsoever. He said as long as we don't do something dumb like plant like maple trees, then we're completely fine. That the maple tree would have roots that would infiltrate for sure, but these type of trees have very shallow roots and they don't grow down like that. So, and you could see when the trenches were dug that the roots were nowhere near it, and so if we stick with these kinds of trees, it's no problem out here. But I think we'll probably leave it cleared for the most part, and maybe Kelly can plant some other stuff up here. Getting rid of all that's gonna suck. And they did get rid of a few trees that they didn't need to, like this one they cut and they left it sitting there. Kind of dangerous like that. That didn't need to come down. It's not even in the way. So that sucks, but overall, I think they did a good job. That's kind of crazy the way that tree came down and took out the middle of the other tree. Which these trees look like I'm assuming that's termite damage. Or ants or something. But that was a big tree. Yeah, these all have that same bug damage. Getting ate out from the middle. That's weird though how it's up in there.